अब हम स्पीकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं टेस्ट 4 की आइंस्टाइन स्टूडेंट बुक। इसमें पहला तो हमेशा स्पीकिंग में यही होता है कि एग्जामिनर आपको बोलेगा कि आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करिए, आप अपने बारे में बताएंगे। तो क्या क्या चीजें आपको बोलनी है उसमें, ये हम काफी बार बात कर चुके हैं कि पहली चीज तो ये है कि अपने बारे में बताइए कि आई एम सो एंड सो, आई एम मिस्टर एक्स, आई एम फ्रॉम आगरा, आई बिलोंग टू आगरा, एंड आई एम presently working in Accenture at Bangalore। और इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं कि I am from Warangal and pursuing my MTech at Delhi University। इसके बाद आप जो अगला बोलेंगे वो अपनी हॉबी बोलेंगे कि माय हॉबी इंक्लूड्स, अब ये तो आपके ऊपर है, मैं कुछ दो चार बता देता हूँ। माय हॉबी इंक्लूड्स वाचिंग क्रिकेट एंड लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक, और आई लव एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स। इस तरीके से आप बोल सकते हैं। अब है बाइसाइकिल की बात कि हाउ पॉपुलर आर बाइसाइकिल्स इन योर होम टाउन, व्हाई। तो इसमें आप बोल सकते हैं, जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि अगर कोई कंट्री साइड का है जो जो गांव से आता है, वो तो बोल सकता है कि इन 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 माय होम टाउन आई बिलोंग टू रेवाड़ी, एंड इन माय होम टाउन bicycle are very popular, and most of us, most of the inhabitants, they prefer to use bicycle because they do have now, they have this motorized vehicles like scooters and bikes and cars, but they still prefer bicycle। हाउ ऑफन डू यू राइड बाइसिकल, आपके बारे में पूछा जाएगा। तो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि अगर आप वाकई में चलाते हैं तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि आई प्रेफर बाइसिकल, दैट इज व्हाई आई यूज और आई राइड बाइसिकल ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे। और अगर आप बाइसिकल नहीं चलाते हैं तो आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि अर्लियर व्हेन आई वाज इन 12th और इन माय सीनियर सेकेंडरी, आई यूज्ड or I was using bicycle only, and after that in my college time, because I've shifted and this place is quite crowded and because filled with this traffic problem, that is why I'm not using bicycle as often I used earlier। फिर आएगा, डू यू थिंक दैट बाइसिकल्स आर सुटेबल फॉर ऑल एजेस, व्हाई और व्हाई नॉट। इसमें आप बोलेंगे, सर इन माय ओपिनियन बाइसाइकिल इज सुटेबल फॉर ऑल एजेस, only those people who are they cannot ride bicycle because of some physical ailment, or they are not advised because of some problems, physical problem, those people only should avoid or should not use bicycle. But for every single person, may it be a kid, may it be an older age person, a male or a female, everyone should use this bicycle and ride bicycle। सो व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ बाइसिकल कंपेयर्ड टू अ कार। अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि भाई कार से क्या फायदे हैं, तो आप इसमें बोल सकते हैं द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कार एज कंपेयर टू बाइसिकल, और एडवांटेजेस ऑफ बाइसिकल एज कंपेयर टू कार, क्योंकि मैं इसमें एक डिसएडवांटेज भी बताने वाला हूँ आपको। द एडवांटेज ऑफ बाइसिकल कंपेयर टू कार इज फर्स्ट दैट इट इज नॉन मोटराइज्ड, सो यू नीड yourself, your body is the motor, that is how you burn your calorie, you keep yourself fit, and no health issues if you are riding bicycle every day or using it, because you don't have to work out then। so advantage of bicycle is this. Second, it saves money, of course. Car need maintenance, car need petrol, and you need to buy a car for a hefty amount. And for bicycle you just need in India, you need for a moderate cycle you need just 1000, 1050, 500, and you'll get a bicycle. But there is an disadvantages also. What is the disadvantage? If you want to go from one place to another which is quite far off, then you cannot go by bicycle, because it will be quite body your health and your effort will be, actually it will be wasted. You can use a car or a bus or any public conveyance to go there. So only this is a disadvantage, otherwise all advantages are there। अब पार्ट 2 में है डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु हैज डन अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टू हेल्प पीपल। उनके बारे में बताइए जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया हुआ है, कुछ ऐसे। तो आप इसको किसके बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा। कोई बोलेगा मैं मदर टेरेसा के बारे में बोलूंगा, कोई बोलेगा कि मैं अन्ना हजारे के बारे में बोलूंगा, कोई अपने लोकल एक एमएलए के बारे में बोल सकता है, लोकल आपका जो निगम पार्षद है उसके बारे में बोल सकता है। तो ये आपके ऊपर है कि वो एक आदमी के बारे में बताइए जो लोगों की मदद करता है। तो इसमें आप मैं आपको एक मदर टेरेसा के बारे में बोल देता हूँ, लेकिन आप ये आपके ऊपर है, ये आप किसको चूज करते हैं। सर, इन माय ओपिनियन द पर्सन हु हैज immensely worked for mankind, just leaving all luxury which she or he had, leaving all those luxuries and giving her life for the betterment of for people. I suppose I will name Mother Teresa because she is a woman. She was actually a nun, and she worked for underprivileged poor people who were in the society. They were not accepted. They had a problem which they had a disease which was not easily acceptable. In that is, अब छुआछूत की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. It is not acceptable. So I think Mother Teresa devoted all her life, though she was not from this country, but still she worked and she helped those people who are not hers, and they were being repelled by the society, and they were living a miserable life, and she made them realize that how and they she gave them a very good life. फिर है डिस्कशन टॉपिक्स में हेल्पिंग अदर पीपल इन द कम्युनिटी. व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द वेज पीपल कैन हेल्प अदर्स इन द कम्युनिटी, विच इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. तो इसमें मैं अपनी राय दूंगा, लेकिन इस राय से आप अपनी राय जरूर इसमें रखिएगा. तो इसमें बोल सकते हैं कि सर, इन माय ओपिनियन द बेस्ट वे टू हेल्प पीपल इज फ्रॉम योर हाउस. मीन्स यू मे बी हैविंग some gardener, you may be having maid or servant working for you. First help them because they are also poor. If you're going to if you're just opening your door and you saw an underprivileged person or a kid which is lost, who have no money to buy food, and he is asking for bread, and if you are confronted with an older or elderly person who is being left out by his family, then you should be helping them rather than giving money or doing charity in mandirs and mosques and mandirs and masjids and these places. The first is that first you should help those who actually require them. But I'm not saying these places, worship places, should not be given money. You should give them money, but in my opinion, this is what you have to do. फिर है, why do you think some people like to help other people? Why do you think some people like to help other people? तो इसके लिए है कि these people about whom you are asking, these people from the childhood, when they were born and they started learning, that they have seen this in their family. Their parents, they imbibed them, or they taught them to help people, and they actually saw their parents and other in their family that they are helping poor and underprivileged people. That is why I think that people are helping now, those people which are helping. फिर है, some people say that people help others in the community more than they did in the past. Do you agree or disagree? Why? तो इसमें आप बोलेंगे कि yes, I totally agree that people are now, they are helping more because now they have exposure, they are learned, they are being taught, they are on social media, and now they are educated also. So now they know that what is how it is to be empty stomach for a day. If you are your mobile network went off for some time, or it is not there, then you become cranky, means you become restless. But what about those people who don't have it? Those privileges are not with them. So that is why people are now actually helping others, and those numbers have increased. अब कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज के बारे में है सवाल. व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ सर्विसेज सच एज लाइब्रेरीज और हेल्थ सेंटर्स आर अवेलेबल टू द पीपल who live in your area? Do you think there are enough of them? तो अपने बारे में बताइए. अगर आपके इसमें नहीं है तो वही बोलिए, है तो है बोलिए. और क्योंकि आप आइल्स का एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं, अपने देश की तारीफ करिए. अपने देश में कमियां हो सकती हैं, लेकिन हमारा देश सर्वोपरि है. हम यहाँ की खाते हैं, यहाँ पर रहते हैं, और यहाँ की जो चीज़ है उसकी हमको ज़रूर बताना चाहिए. जैसे मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि सर, इन माय एरिया वेयर आई लिव, we do have health centers. We have primary health center. We have a government medical college which is not far off. It is just 5 kilometers, and we have various services like cleanliness. We have, so waste management is very good at our, and there are community markets and places where people of different caste and creed, they can assemble and they can talk. So these services are available with us, and I cherish them, and I really encourage people to go there and enjoy these services, and to facilitate these services. Which groups of people generally need most support in your community? Why? तो यहाँ पर आप बोल सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसा आंसर दीजिए जो थोड़ा सा मजेदार हो. तो अब तैयारी तो आपने कर रखी होगी, क्योंकि 1 मिनट मिलता है आपको. तो इसमें आप बोलेंगे कि सर, इन माय ओपिनियन देयर आर 3 कैटेगरीज ऑफ people whom we should help. First is kids, or those who don't understand. They are not aware of anything. They don't know how to eat. So if you find anyone, any toddler or an infant in any sort of trouble, first help them. The second is, those who are suffering from some mental ailment, which though they don't understand. They don't know what is happening in life. They are not they can't be educated, they can't be treated, and once they are in the society, you should help them. And third are elderly people. Those people who have lived their life, they have helped, they have contributed to the society, contributed to the nation. Now their health is down. Now they're in the decline phase. They have lived their life. They need your support. They need your help. So these 3 categories I really expect and hope that people should help. फिर है, who do you think should pay for the services that are available to the people in a community? किसको पैसा देना चाहिए? Should it be the government or individual people? तो इसके लिए आप बोलिएगा कि in my opinion, sir, both government and individual people, means a community people, they both should come together, join hand, and work shoulder to shoulder. So they both should present money, give money, and contribute money for any health services, for any services or community services that is required at their area or in their area. तो ये आपकी बात हुई आपके आइल्स के स्पीकिंग की, जहां पर आपसे सवाल पूछे जाएंगे और जहां पर आपको एक बहुत प्लेजेंट और अपने प्लीजिंग पर्सनालिटी को बरकरार रखते हुए पॉजिटिव आंसर देना है. और ये सब तो चीज ठीक है, अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए आपकी. मैं ये बता सकता हूं कि क्या चीज आपको किस तरीके से बोलनी है, कैसे बोलनी है, ताकि अगला बंदा समझे और आपको एक अच्छा स्कोर दे. बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत धन्यवाद.